Question number 7 from 3.2 exercise. The 11th and the 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Find 41st term of an AP. So here see, two things are given. With that two things are, one is 11th term and the another is 21st term. So two terms, 11th and the 21st are given. They are 16 and 29 respectively. And what is asked to find? Which is a 41st term. So to find any term, here 41st term is asked, but to find any term we should have two values. With that two values are first term A and the common difference D. Understood? So first of all we have to find out the A, which is the first term of that AP, and the common difference D. First we are writing the given 11th term and the 21st term. So given are T11 is 16 and 21st term, so T21 is equal to 29. We are having two different terms of that AP, and what to find out here? T41. So say T41 is equal to question mark. Understood? See, from these two terms which are given in the question, first we are making two linear equation in two variable. So linear equation in two variable, that we have already studied in 9th standard in the last year. So by using the formula, which that formula is formula of general term, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Now we are putting 11 in place of n for this first term T11. So say T11 is equal to A plus, means the value of n is 11 here. So here also we are considering value of n is 11. So n minus 1 means 11 minus 1. Directly I am writing here as 10. 11 minus 1 is 10 multiplied by D. T11, which is already given, its value is 16. So 16 is equal to A plus 10 into D, 10D. Understood? Now we are just rearranging the equation. A plus 10D is equal to 16. It is equation number 1. Understood? In the same way, we are making second equation for this T21st. So say T21, therefore write, therefore T21 is equal to A plus, here value of n is 21 and n minus 1 means 21 minus 1. Here directly I am writing 20 multiplied by D. Understood? So T21, its value is 29, that I am putting here in place of T21. 29 is equal to A plus 20 into D, 20 D. Understood? Again here we are rearranging the equation, that is A plus 20D is equal to 29. A plus 20D is equal to 29. It is equation number 2nd. See, both the equations now we are having. Now we will solve these both the equation. We know that to solve any linear equation in two variables, one variable should have the similar coefficient, and here already we are having the similar coefficient for the variable A. Here coefficient of A is 1 in the first equation, and in the second equation coefficient of A is also 1. Means this variable A in both the equations are having the equal coefficient. So simply by subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 1, we can cancelize this one variable from here, and we can get the value of the second variable, which is a D. So for subtracting second from first, we are arranging this second equation below of the first equation. So first you write just subtracting equation second from first. Subtracting equation second from first. Okay. Now you arrange first equation. A plus 10D is equal to 16. It is equation number 1. below of this we are arranging second equation. A plus 20d is equal to 29. It is equation number second. Understood? As we have to subtract second equation from first, we have to give here minus sign in between first equation and second equation. And we know that in the subtraction the sign of the second equation are changed. So here we are changing the signs of this second equation. Here a is positive, now we are making it negative. Here 20d is positive, again we are making it negative, and here 29 is positive, so we are making it negative. Now we will subtract this second equation from first. So positive a and negative a will cancel. Understood? Here 10d and minus 20d means 10 will be subtracted from 20, then minus 10 will remain because 20 is the bigger number which is negative. It is equal to, same here, 16 is positive and 29 is negative. So we have to subtract 16 from 29 and we will get here negative difference, minus difference. So 9 minus 6, 3, and 2 minus 1, 1 means minus 13. Understood? See, minus 10d one side and another side minus 13. So similar sign from both the side will cancel. Then here it became positive 10d is equal to positive 13. Now to find the value of d, we are taking 10 to this side. Here 10 it is multiplying to the d this side, and after changing the side it will divide to 13. So it is 13 divided by 10. Understood? We got the value of one variable which is a d. Now to find the value of another variable which is a, we are substituting this d is equal to 13 upon 10 in equation first. You can substitute in any equation, not only in the first. You can substitute in second also, no problem. You will get the same answer. So say putting or substituting also you can write. Putting d is equal to 13 divided by 10 in equation first, we get, see the equation number 1 is a plus 10d is equal to 16. Now we are simply putting d is equal to 13 upon 10. So say a plus 10 and d is 13 upon 10 is equal to 16. Understood? Here see 10 10 are cancelled. So a plus 13 is equal to 16. Then to find the value of a, say therefore a is equal to, we have to shift this 13 to that side. Here 13 is positive and after changing its side it will be negative. So 16 minus 13. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 16 minus 13 is 3. The difference between 16 and 13 is 3. Understood? Now we are having both the values which are required to find any term of an AP. First value is common difference d which is 13 upon 10, and the second value is first term a which is 3. Now we can find easily any term, but here in the question particularly 41st term is asked, so we will find the 41st term by using this both the values. So first we are writing our formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So therefore say here n means 41 term we have to find out. So T41 is equal to a is 3 plus, again here n is 41. So 41 minus 1 and the d is 13 divided by 10. Now you can write here 1.3 instead of 13 divided by 10. So T41 is equal to 3 plus, what is 41 minus 1? It is 40. So 40 multiplied by 13 divided by 10. See again we can divide this 40 by 10. So 10 ones are 10, 10 fours are 40. Now T41 is equal to 3 plus, again here 13 fours are 52. Now what is 52 plus 3? T41 is equal to 55. So what is that 41st term of the AP? It is 55. Again here you have to write the final answer, because this question is asked for 4 marks in the board exam, and for every 3 marks and 4 mark question final answer is necessary, because here they will reduce your half marks. So here say, therefore answer is 41st term of given AP, 41st term of given AP is 55. Understood?